Hi everyone, welcome back to Hobby Rocks. I have to get used to saying that, Hobby Rocks. So firstly, if you've not done it already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So these videos for now are really kind of update on the story so far sort of thing. When this yarn room was being built, I did periodically like a little update video, so that's kind of the same thing. So it's not moving like breakneck speed or anything, but it is coming along. I have now got 3 definite suppliers of yarn, so that, and they are ones that I really want as well, so that's cool. There are others that I want, I've not heard from. They're a bit slack, bit slow on the uptake. You think they'd want to sell as much as they possibly can, and they'd be on the ball getting in touch with people, wouldn't you, in this day and age where everybody's had a year of not very much. So you think that they would be a bit better at it, but never mind. And I have one rep who was meant to be calling me back and hasn't done it. But he's young. He sounds young anyway. So I have also been in touch with various tea companies that I want to stock, and that looks quite promising, although at the moment I've not really got any further forward with it. But I've had a good chat with my website chappie, whose name is Chris, and on Monday, as I did give him rather a lot of changes to do, you know, he had a lot on his plate, because predominantly when I first spoke to him, it was a site to support Crochet Rocks, and it was just going to be really extension of that. But now it's changed rather substantially, and has a name change. Sorry, not a number change, name change. So to be honest with you, I'm still going to do the Crochet Rocks part of it, but it will link to a section of that same site, and it will there'll be lots to it anyway. That's the good thing. So on Monday he will have a lot more up and running for me to look at. Then I'm going to do a few courses, which I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, it's moving on, but it's moving on not breakneck speed, but as soon as the site is ready, I expect it really to start kicking in with all the things that I've got coming up after that. You know, like I can't really move on until I've got the site, and then once I've got the site, I expect it to snowball quite quickly and to start moving on. Also, somebody else is going to send me a link to some other courses that I can do. So hopefully things will get a lot more interesting around here. Not that they're not interesting already, or full on at times. Today and yesterday I have actually made a fair few videos. I've still got some tutorials to do for one of my channels, so that's for Crochet Rocks. So that's going to be my next kind of priority. Now I've done all the yarny videos. So yeah, I haven't got anything absolute. I've got some definite suppliers. I've got customer numbers and details and things to actually start getting it, which is really quite exciting, isn't it? But it doesn't end there. It doesn't end with just yarn. I need to find some more kind of contacts. So that's what I've been doing with myself this last week, forging new relationships with companies and contacts, and finding out how I can get the site to work the way I want it to work. And I have my own resident kind of IT expert now, who just, for instance, we were talking and I said I bought a laptop and it wasn't as fast as I like it to be. So he got on the phone with me and now it is. It's amazing. He hasn't even touched it. And it's so much better. So only good things can come of that. So yeah, that's brilliant. So yeah, not much to tell you, not much to show you, but I just wanted to get on and give you an update to let you know that it's happening. It's really actually taking shape. It's quite exciting that it is taking shape. I need to chase up a lot. What I need to do is I did have a book somewhere. I don't know. It's over there, I think. And I started to give a page and kind of keep a journal so I know who I've chased up, who I need to chase up again, and that sort of thing. So it's weekend, so there's not really a lot of point in chasing up many people, but it's a good time to take stock and see who I need to jump on. One in particular, a certain young man who rang me once, and I've rang him back several times, but I will call you. So yeah. Yeah. That's all I've got to tell you, really. So yeah, I own both domain names now, so that's good. And the site's being worked on. Hopefully by Monday it'll have some form of shop that I can learn to start using, and then I can get going. And it won't be like overnight, but it's getting there. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I will see you on the next one with hopefully more news. So bye for now.